What is the difference between content marketing and book marketing? Book marketing is the plan to promote, publicize, and spread awareness about your book. Content marketing is a strategy to generate interest in a given product through promotional content. Okay, while these terms are often used together, there is a distinctive difference between them. Okay, book marketing typically is focused on promotional content in order to attract sales. Okay, content marketing, on the other hand, is geared towards generating interest through informational content, such as, I don't know, blog posts or articles or videos. In both cases, the goal is increased visibility. But book marketing has an emphasis on sales, whereas content marketing focuses on more reader engagement and brand awareness. Let's put this in the simplest terms. Book marketing is a short-term plan to sell your book. It also is called a book launch. Content marketing is a long-term plan that builds awareness to not just one book, but your entire brand, which includes all of your books, so they recognize you and build engagement, so then they'll know, like, and trust you to buy more of your books. Okay, you need both. You need book marketing to promote your book, and you need content marketing to keep you top of mind. So then your reader remembers you for the next time that they're looking for their next book.